Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you a piece of one of our new inventory. This is a MasterCraft NXT22. This is a 2023 model. We're going to go through, take a look at some of the features we like on the boat and give you a quick walkthrough. This boat is here at MarineMax, where we're going to be able to take care of you from start to finish in your boat buying process. We've got a great finance department. We've got 2 finance directors who are going to be able to take care of you, get you out to the right banks and get you a great rate. We also have an awesome service department that's going to take care of you while you're out on the water, give you that peace of mind while you're out there so you guys can just enjoy it with your family, and also an awesome pro shop that's going to be able to get you guys anything that you guys need while you're out there on the water. Let's take a step inside and look at some of the features. All right guys, starting here on the transom, we have our brand new option for 2023. The fiberglass swim platform actually has a swim step that folds down into the water. It's going to make it really easy to get on and off the boat for everyone, and you guys can hang out here and chill whenever you guys are anchored up. As we step inside the boat, you guys can see that we actually carried the color pattern from the outside of the boat into the interior with this awesome gray, cool feel interior. Going to keep you nice and cool when you're out there on the water. We also have our MasterCraft Z6 tower with our clamping board racks, as well as JL audio all throughout the boat, as well as a JL audio controller. So you have a great sound system inside of here. As we step inside, at our Helm station, we have, like I said, the JL audio controller, Bluetooth audio, anything that you need. Our analog dials and switches, so you guys can monitor everything on the boat, as well as the awesome MasterCraft surf system that's going to be able to take care of you guys, so the rider and the driver are having a great time out there whenever you guys are going. We also have some awesome portside storage here that's going to be communicating throughout the boat, so you guys can store all those life jackets, towels, anything that you need while you're out there on the water, not have it clutter up the boat. Finally, as we step into the bow, you can see we have our hybrid pickle fork design up here. This is going to make it so that you guys can have 2 to 3 adults sitting up here. Really expands the space of this boat, so you guys can have people sitting everywhere. My name is Tyler Smith here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. If you like this boat or any of our others, I'm happy to sit down, take some time with you, find that perfect boat, and get you guys out there on the water here in Texas. Again, Tyler Smith here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft.